get to go back for a couple hours tomorrow. You okay?
Holy Jesus. Oh, that was cool.
You can't make anything this big look good on anyone. Jack Harlow does not look good with glasses. Imogen Heap might look good with glasses.
Imogen Heap is one of those people who like could sincerely get away with wearing gigantic glasses.
Yeah, actually the most interesting thing about these pictures is they're in black and white, but to indicate the glasses have a display, they put a slight color haze on the lenses in this photo.
The Disney audience, the Disney adults, and Star Wars. But then, well, we can't have Slave Leia anymore, and that's kind of when the tide.
That's back when Disney knew how to make money.
Yep. They made a lot of money.
34.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
this is the kind of stupid idea that Disney would actually greenlight. All right, because they think they're going to probably make some money off of it. Somebody will probably write a comic book. They'll find some sort of a story where they bring the X-Men into the Star Wars universe. I don't know how they would do it, but this is the kind of stupid nonsense that Disney one didn't do. It didn't fly. It stayed on the ground. Germany Japan. They got a Porsche GT1. Man, I can't talk into America, really. You can talk into America.
What are you doing?
Italy was talk intuable until about 8 years
Whoa.
ago, and then the Italians like regular.
Ça mon rapport.
Aura lieu le 9 novembre. Il y a également Patrice Bergeron des Bruins aussi qui a été élu. Il faut mentionner aussi que Lionel Messi est allé d'un autre chef-d'œuvre à la Coupe du Monde.
To this random wedding where you didn't know
Whoa.
you want to be, but the representation.
Video protected. Yeah. Knew that was gonna happen.
Adjourned for the summer after a whirlwind week. But before we start, the House of Commons and the Senate quietly passed major changes to the Pest Control Products Act. The new legislation gives Prime Minister Mark Carney's cabinet the ability to greenlight the use of any pesticide if it's in the interest of economic or national food security. That includes pesticides that Health Canada has deemed unsafe. For obvious reasons, that has scientists and public health experts concerned, including Senator Rosa Galvez. Ms. Galvez is an independent senator and an expert on pollution and human health. We reached her in Quebec City.
Senator, what are the words you're using to describe this legislation?
It's an omnibus bill with some provisions that